Revolutionizing healthcare, the mixed concepts of 3D printing in medicine. In recent years, 3D printing has emerged as a transformative technology in the field of medicine, promising innovative solutions across various subfields. From customized prosthetics to bioprinting functional tissues and organs, the mixed concepts of 3D printing in medicine are revolutionizing healthcare in unprecedented ways. This article explores the potential of 3D printing, highlighting how each application is reshaping the landscape of healthcare. 1. Customized prosthetics and orthotics. One of the most significant impacts of 3D printing in the medical sector is the development of customized prosthetics and orthotics. Traditional manufacturing methods often resulted in generic devices that didn't perfectly fit an individual's unique anatomy. With 3D printing, it is now possible to create personalized prosthetic limbs and orthotic devices tailored to a patient's specific needs. These 3D printed devices offer improved comfort, functionality, and aesthetics. Patients experience enhanced mobility and independence, as the devices are lightweight and precisely designed to match their anatomical structure. Moreover, 3D printing drastically reduces production time and costs, making these customized solutions more accessible to a broader range of patients. 2. Biofabrication of tissues and organs. Bioprinting, a cutting-edge application of 3D printing, holds immense potential in the realm of regenerative medicine. It involves the fabrication of living tissues and even complete organs using a patient's cells or bioinks. This groundbreaking technology has the potential to address the global organ shortage crisis and eliminate the need for immunosuppressant drugs post-transplantation. The process of bioprinting involves layering bioinks, which are bioactive materials containing cells, growth factors, and biomaterials, to create functional tissue structures. While still in its early stages, bioprinting has shown promising results in creating skin, cartilage, and blood vessels. Continued research and development in this area could revolutionize transplantation medicine, saving countless lives and improving patient outcomes. 3. Patient-specific surgical guides. Surgery is an intricate and delicate procedure that requires precision and accuracy. Patient-specific surgical guides, created through 3D printing, have emerged as a game-changer for complex surgical interventions. These guides are custom-made based on each patient's unique anatomy, allowing surgeons to pre-plan their procedures and execute them with unparalleled accuracy. By using these 3D printed guides, surgeons can better visualize the surgical site and make informed decisions during the operation. This technology reduces surgery time, minimizes the risk of errors, and leads to improved patient outcomes. As a result, patients experience shorter recovery periods, reduced post-operative complications, and faster restoration of their normal functions. 4. Customized drug delivery systems. The concept of customized drug delivery systems using 3D printing is a revolutionary approach to precision medicine. Traditional oral medications often come in standardized forms, leading to challenges in dosing and drug release tailored to an individual patient's needs. With 3D printing, pharmaceutical tablets and pills can be designed with intricate internal structures, enabling controlled and targeted drug release. These 3D printed drug delivery systems offer numerous advantages, especially for patients with unique medical conditions and drug sensitivities. They can be tailored to release medication at specific times or locations within the body, improving treatment efficacy and reducing side effects. Customized drug delivery systems hold great promise in the treatment of chronic conditions, pediatrics, and geriatrics, enhancing patient adherence and therapeutic outcomes. 5. Medical devices and instrumentation. The mixed concept of 3D printing in creating medical devices and instrumentation has unlocked unparalleled opportunities in the healthcare industry. Traditional manufacturing techniques often involve complex processes, leading to expensive and time-consuming production. In contrast, 3D printing allows for the rapid prototyping and production of intricate medical devices with reduced costs and lead times. Surgical instruments, hearing aids, dental appliances, and other medical tools can now be custom designed and 3D printed to meet specific patient requirements. This personalization enhances the efficiency and effectiveness of medical procedures while improving patient comfort and outcomes. The accessibility and affordability of 3D printed medical devices make advanced healthcare solutions available to a more extensive population. 6. Anatomical models for patient education. Patient education is a crucial aspect of healthcare, as informed patients are more likely to make better decisions about their treatment options. 3D printing has emerged as an invaluable tool for patient education, especially in complex cases where visual aids are necessary to explain medical conditions and treatment plans. By creating lifelike anatomical models through 3D printing, healthcare professionals can effectively communicate diagnoses, surgical procedures, and potential risks to patients. These models allow patients to better comprehend their conditions, resulting in increased patient satisfaction and engagement in their treatment journey. Moreover, 3D printed anatomical models can serve as a bridge between healthcare providers and patients, fostering more collaborative decision-making processes. 7. Assistive devices for people with disabilities. 3D printing has paved the way for the design and production of assistive devices that cater to the unique needs of people with disabilities. These devices, ranging from wheelchair accessories to tactile models for the visually impaired, promote inclusivity and independence. By leveraging 3D printing technology, assistive devices can be tailor-made to fit individual requirements and preferences. The process allows for rapid prototyping and modification, ensuring a seamless fit and functionality. As a result, individuals with disabilities experience improved mobility and accessibility, empowering them to lead more fulfilling lives. 8. Rehabilitation aids.